Hmm. Cells of those organs which are actively engaged in the protein synthesis contain highly developed ER of granular type. Means they have granular endoplasmic reticulums. The liver cells possesses both type of endoplasmic reticulum, granular and agranular. Origin of endoplasmic reticulum. It is believed that ER is originated as an invagination from outer nuclear membrane. From nuclear membrane is double layered. From outer nuclear membranes, ER is originated. SER arises from RER by the loss of ribosome. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum originated from rough endoplasmic reticulum after the loss of ribosomes. Types of ER depending upon the nature of its membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum mainly of two types, smooth and rough. Smooth walled endoplasmic reticulum and rough walled endoplasmic reticulum. This is also called agranular and granular endoplasmic reticulum. A smooth surface ER, there are no ribosome attached to its membrane. A smooth surface ER is found in those cells which are almost inactive in protein synthesis. It is generally found in adipose cells, interstitial cells, glycogen storing cells of liver, leukocytes, mature spermatocytes and retinal cells. In pigmented retinal cells, it is found in the form of tightly packed vesicles of tubules known as microid bodies. Muscle cells are also rich in smooth type of endoplasmic reticulum known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. The smooth surface ER is associated with synthesis of lipids, glycogen metabolism and synthesis of steroid hormones. Rough walled endoplasmic reticulum or granular endoplasmic reticulum possesses rough wall because of the presence of ribosomes attached with membrane. Granular ER is found in those cells which are actively involved in protein synthesis, for example, pancreatic cells, plasma cells, goblet cells, and liver cells. The structure of endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Endoplasmic reticulum consists of membrane-lined channels or space containing fluid called endoplasmic matrix. It is composed of three kinds of structures: cisternae, these are elongated, flattened, sac-like, unbranched tubules arranged in parallel row having the diameter of 40 to 50 millimicron. Cisternae are found in the cells of liver, pancreas, notochord, and brain, which are actively involved in protein synthesis. Vesicles, these are round, ovoid membrane bound. Bacular space having the diameter of 25 to 500 millimicron. They are also called microsomes. They generally remain isolated in the cytoplasm and occurs in most cells, but especially abundant in the pancreatic cells. Tubules. Tubules are small, smooth walls, branched tubular space of 50 to 100 micron diameters. These are found in the cells which are engaged in the synthesis of steroids like cholesterol, glycerides, and hormones. Difference between rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum It has flattened sacs called cisternae. Smooth is made up of vesicles and tubules. Ribosomes are attached on outer surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These are engaged in rough ER is engaged in protein synthesis. Smooth ER is engaged in synthesis of lipid and steroids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum found in large number in pancreatic cells. Smooth ER found in liver and testicular cells. Now, ultrastructure of ER. Ultrastructure of endoplasmic reticulum. All three forms of ER are formed of double unit membrane. Each unit membrane is about 50 to 60 angstrom in thickness and is separated from the other by a bacular space of about 75 to 100 micron wide. This space is filled with the material of varying opacity. Origin of endoplasmic reticulum. Origin of ER. Different views have been proposed to explain the origin of endoplasmic reticulum within cells. Some views are according to Barer, Joseph and Meek, 1959. Endoplasmic reticulum originates from nuclear membrane. This view was supported by Esner and Novikov by postulating that ER are formed by turning of nuclear membrane toward outside. According to Pallet, endoplasmic reticulum originates from plasma membrane. Many scientists are of the opinion that endoplasmic reticulum originates from mitochondrial membrane. Modern or present day scientists believe that endoplasmic reticulum originates from annulated lamellae. Microsomes. These are the bodies present inside the cytoplasm and originate through separation of rough endoplasmic reticulum that are much active in protein synthesis. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. It forms ultrastructural network in the cytoplasm and provide mechanical support to the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum provides surface for the attachment of ribosomes, which are involved in protein synthesis. Thus, indirectly, they help for protein synthesis. It helps in the intracellular transport. During cell division, it helps for formation of nuclear membrane. ER stores protein. It helps for exchange of material between inner and outer part of cell. It provides surface for the various enzymatic activities. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the lipid and glycogen synthesis with the help of enzyme stored in it. In liver cells, it helps in glycogenolysis.